How y'all doing? Ain't made a video in a while. We've been moving houses and stuff for the last month and just had all kind of stuff going on. And I figured I'd make you an update video. The pups is growing like crazy. Divvy, what are you doing? Old mud dog. You like that? Little goons up under here. Hey boy. He's getting big. Goon, come here. Look what I got. You ready? Go get it. Divvy. Goon, come on. Where's your stick at? Where's your stick, boy? You better not. Spot. Spot's all keeping to himself. Lily, get over here. Crazy girl. Big old warthog. Hey, Div. Hey, Div. Oh, God. Muddy. You muddy. I'll still pet you, though. If anybody's wondering about the chains on their, on Goon and Divvy, because Goon has managed to chew every collar I've put on them off and then eat the collars. Divvy, come here. So I had to resort to a chain. They don't seem to mind it. Lily and Spot are in a separate kennel, so I don't have to worry about their collar. Well, I let Spot in the kennel with Goon for like, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes one day. Went out there and his collar was gone. So yeah, Goon don't really believe in collars. Crazy pups. There you go, Goon. Just do that. Div! Always so happy, full of energy. Lily. Yes, Goon used the bathroom over there. What are you doing, Spot? Come here. Spot. Come here, bud. What are you doing, buddy? I have a bunch of people ask me what Spot is on here. He's a Catahoula leopard dog, bred for hog hunting. Google it. Pretty cool history. Lily. Lily. Hey, Lily. Hey. Break dance for everybody again. Crazy. I'm gonna get off here. Y'all have a good one. And oh, actually, hold on. Let me show you the kennels. Built these for them. They don't have to stay locked up in the house no more all day. They love it. You can tell Goon and Divvy's kennel right here on the left. They run non-stop and play. Spot and Lily like to keep a little bit nicer yard. Goon and Divvy like to sleep together because we always crated them together as puppies, so we didn't have to get but one dog house. That was cool. Well, I'm gonna sign off. Thank you for watching.